Welcome back everyone to the channel. In this video I'll be explaining you how you can create SharePoint events and get that events synced up with your Outlook calendar, and as well as send out the automatic notifications to the attendees. So I'll just create one calendar list under my SharePoint side. I'm just going to app and selecting calendar. So I'll just create one my SharePoint event, that is a calendar list. So in this calendar list, when I'll be creating any event, that event should be available in my Outlook, and as well as that event should be sent out to all the attendees. So for that I will be using Power Automate. So I'll just move to Power Automate and I'll create one flow with instant from blank. I'll name that as send meeting invites, and for the timing I'm skipping trigger and just creating it. The trigger action I'll be choosing when item created in SharePoint. When item is created, I'll choose my SharePoint list and select my calendar list. So you can see your calendar list is not available over here, so you need to type that manually. My SharePoint event. So when you click on show, it will show you all the views. That means your list got integrated with this when item is created event action. So we are good. In the next step, we'll add up one create event in Outlook. So I'll choose create event v4 version. So in calendar, we'll be selecting our local calendar. Subject, I'll tie up that subject with a dynamic title of my SharePoint event list. Start time, again I'll find out that from dynamic content. Start time, same way for the end time, and for this we need to select the time zone as well. So we'll select the Pacific time zone. So when you click on show advanced, it will give you a couple of more things. So you can see it has a field of required attendees, optional attendees, and location and all that stuff. So when I click on required attendees and when click on dynamic content, it should give me attendees email, so I can choose that up. So you must have seen that it has created one automatic apply to each, so that it can send out the notification to all the attendees individually. So I am choosing location as my event location, and all rest of the stuff you can skip it because it's just required, but we can fill out the body, and for body we'll be choosing description field. Okay, so we are good with the flow. So in this flow we just use two activities, that when item is created and creating one event in our local calendar. So now I'll go back to my SharePoint calendar list. When I click on, let's say, new event, you can see title, location, start time, end time is there, but we can't see attendees. So how we can make that available? You can go to a calendar list and you can go to the event content type, and under event content type you can click on add from existing site columns. So you can see attendees is one of the columns, so I'll just add that. And when I go back to my list, when I say new event, so now I started getting this attendees list. So I can just create demo session event, location, let's say India, start time I can keep it as is, body, please attend the session. In category you may want to sync that up, but I would not be sync that up and in the attendees you can type your colleague's name. So I'll just find out one of my colleagues. adding this up. You can add multiple as well. So when you click save, that should trigger my flow. Okay, so we got a success for our flow. Now I'll go back to my Outlook calendar. We have that event created in my Outlook as well, and when I click on it, so you can see it is saying that Prakash Mithani is one of my attendees for this session. So this is how in a quick way you can create your event from SharePoint and then get that created under your actual Outlook. And the same way you can do that for Outlook and then get that synced up with your SharePoint calendar. So vice versa. So for both of this you have to use the Power Automate to make that work. So it's a kind of very quick video. I hope if you like the video, please drop a comment and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.